Hey there, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your passenger side reflector on your 2017 Highlander XLE. Here's the OEM part. I found it on eBay for the same price as the aftermarket, so go eBay. Here's what it looks like. There's a little drain plug, I think it is. This is only a reflector. Looks like to access it, I'm going to take off 1, 2, 3 bolts. Looks like there's a 4th one hiding up here attached to this metal above the muffler. And a plastic retaining clip. Alright, for reference, I will say that this screw or bolt is longer than the one on the inside here. So long and short. And the rearmost bolt is in between the two sizes, so there's 3 different size screws here. This one here in the rear end is the middle size. Now I just gotta take the clip off. Alright, it's easy enough. Pull out the center with a flat head. Use your fingers for the rest. It pops right out. And this last one is a 10mm machine screw thread. So once you wiggle the plastic panel off, you can easily access the broken fixture. My clips did not break, so that's good. So I can slide that right on. And at the top, looks like it's just 2 more bolts to take out. And these 2 10mm are up in there, so you're probably gonna want to have a 10mm wrench on hand. And both of these screws are the same size. Looks like I got the right part, so that's good. Then you just align these 2 tabs on the bottom, set it up there on the holes, and screw it back in. Pretty easy. We'll see if I can do it one-handed. I might regret this. It's on the tabs. Alright, looks like it's on the holes. And there's the new one installed. You do have to push the bottom past these 2 little clip things that have a notch. But pretty easy. Everything went back on pretty good. Pretty easy. Except for that bolt up there. Even after cleaning the threads and PBing it, it only got about 3/4 of the way into the hole, and it's about to snap if I tighten it anymore. Make sure that you do not cross thread and that the hole is cleaned out. Good as new. That'll buff right out, I'm sure. Thanks for watching.